Hello everyone, I'm Miss Stevens and I'm going to be teaching you your Set 1 phonics. Our first sound today is Well done. Let's take a look to see what looks like. Well done. And we have a picture on the back. And today's picture is of a mountain. Can you say mountain? Mountain. Mountain. Well done. Now I like to play a game with our sounds, and this game is super easy. When I show you this side of the card, you have to say When I show you this side, you have to say mountain. Are you ready? I'll start off slow. Well done. Let's pop our oh, he's upside down, up here. I wonder, can you think of any words that begin with the sound? I have some pictures. We already know that mountain begins with a sound. I also have a picture of a moon. Can you say moon? And I have a picture of a teeny tiny mouse. Can you say mouse? Well done. And my last picture is of a mirror. Can you say mirror? Fantastic. Let's just practice those words again. Mountain, moon, mouse, mirror. Fantastic. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Well done. We have found lots of words that begin with I wonder if you can think of any more. Maybe you could go around your home and find different objects that begin with the sound. We are going to turn our over so that we can see our lovely mountain, because we are going to practice our writing now. I'm just going to move Fred down a bit so we have some space. Ooh. Now listen carefully, because there's a rhyme to help us write. I'm going to use my magic finger first. Up we go, Maisie, mountain, mountain. Watch again. Up we go, Maisie, mountain, mountain. Can you use your magic finger with me? Up we go, Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie begins with a sound as well, doesn't it? Okay, I'm going to show you with my pen now. Up we go, Maisie, mountain, mountain. Let's try again. Up we go, Maisie, mountain, mountain. Can you try it with me with your finger and saying the rhyme? Up we go, Maisie, mountain, mountain. Now I would like you to pause the video and have a go at writing on your own at home. Fantastic writing practice reception. We are now going to be joined by our friend Fred. Can you say hello to Fred? Ah, he's happy to see you. Now, Fred is special. Fred only speaks in sounds, and you've got to help us work out what word he's trying to say. Are you ready? Fred says, at, mat. Well done. Fred says, ad, mad. Fantastic. Fred says, at, sat. Well done. One more. Fred says, at, at. Fantastic work. Thank you, Fred, for helping us. Okay, now we're going to learn what we call red words. And these are words that we can't sound out. So they don't have sounds in them, we use the letter name. So they're tricky words that we just have to learn to read and write. Our first one today is I. Well done. And it's when you are talking about yourself. So you might say, I went to the park today. Let's take these pictures away so we don't get confused. There we go. So there's I. Our other one today is the. 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 Fantastic. And we use this word a lot. It was even in the sentence I just said. Listen carefully. I went to the park. Fantastic. Can you point to the? Well done. Can you point to I? Well done. Okay. One last practice. The. I. Well done, reception. That's brilliant work. Okay, just before we finish off, let's see if you can remember our very first sound. What was this sound? Well done. Repeat after me. And let's practice the picture. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Can you say mountain? Well done. Give yourselves a big pat on the back. Wow, you have just learnt your very first sound. Well done. I'll see you again for our next Set 1 sound.